Hi, my name is Gene Luen Yang. I am a comic book writer. I write Superman comics, among other things. Today I want to tell you a little bit more about our Fortress of Solitude Journal. So let's write about this. This will be our writing prompt. How did you connect with someone today? So when I think about all the different conversations that I had today, I think about my conversations with my wife, my conversations with my kids. But really the conversation that sticks out the most for me is one that I had with my friend, Coach Lou. And that wasn't even a conversation that we had with our mouths. That was actually a conversation that we had over our phones, over text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start my journal entry today by writing down exactly what Lou and I texted each other. Now don't forget to begin by writing the date up here. Let's see what Lou and I said to each other. So Lou started by saying, "What's up?" And then I said, "Hi." And then Lou asked, "Do you still have any TP?" And I said, "Yup." As you can see from today's journal entry, a journal entry can also have a text exchange. Now, after I wrote down my text exchange with Coach Lou, I also wrote about my own feelings. Here's what I wrote. "I haven't seen Coach Lou face to face in weeks. I miss hanging out with him, but it was still nice to be able to keep in touch. I just read this great book about Batgirl, and I know that Lou likes superheroes, so I wonder if he would also like that book. Sometimes when we're writing in our journal entries, to-do items will come up. And for me, the to-do item that came up in this particular journal entry is that I gotta ask Lou whether he wants to read this book about Batgirl that I like so much." So I'm gonna do that right now. In the meantime, I hope you will keep thinking, keep journaling, and keep connecting.